So for this video, we are going to discuss the summation using sigma notation. Generally, summation sigma notation is used to represent a sum of multiple terms. So first thing we need to remember is this formula, summation formula, such that an example of 4, let's say. So to find the answer for this sigma notation is that I to the 1 is constant is equal to constant times n. Our n is here. So basically our constant is c and our n is 4. This is 4, by the way. This is 4. So all we need to do is substitute. Our c is 8. Add. So 8, then the number of terms times 4 is equal to 32. So our final answer is 32. Here's another example to understand well this topic, the sigma notation. Let's say, so let's have this formula to understand very well. So I is equal to 1 such that I is equal to um, n times n plus 1 over 2. So take note of that formula. Then the next one is the n n2 summation of I is equal to 1 of I squared is equal to n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6. So let's have an example over here first. So let's say that 4 such I equal to 1 of let's say 5 5i minus 3. So we can separate this into two terms. So we will use these two formulas to find the answer. So first expression is we will use this formula such that n times n plus 1 over 2 is just simply replace or substitute. Our n is 4 times n 4 plus 1 divided by 2. Then just copy this 5 here divided by 2, so we'll get the 5 times 10. And this second expression here, we'll use this formula of constant times n. So all we need to do is substitute 3 3 times n. So 3 times n is equal to 12. So we'll now have a 50 minus 12 is equal to 38. So that's how you find the summation using the sigma notation. So lastly, this formula. So let's have an example of 4 of I is equal to 1 such I is of I squared is equal to, so we will use this formula. So our n is 4 plus 4 plus 1. We'll just use this formula, substitute anything here to n. So n times 2 times n is 4 plus 1. So divided by 6. So we will get now 2 times 4, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 9 times 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus times 4 is equal to 20 over 6. So notice that we can cancel out this. We can divide this as 3 2. So and we can divide also here as 1 divided by 2 is 10. So our final answer is 10 times 3 is equal to 30.